If the roots of the equation ax square minus 8x plus c is equal to 0 in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are equal and a plus b plus c is equal to 9, then the value of the root can be. Now, if we compare the given equation with the general equation of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is equal to a, b is equal to minus 8, and c is equal to c. Now it is mentioned that the roots are equal. Now roots are equal when b square minus 4ac, that is delta, is equal to 0. That means b square is equal to 4ac. Now we have been given another equation here, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 9. And we have here b as minus 8. So therefore, combining these two equations, we have a minus 8 plus c is equal to 9. So therefore, from this we have a plus c is equal to 9 plus 8, that is 17. Now if we substitute value of b in this equation, minus 8 square, that becomes 64 is equal to 4ac. So therefore, solving this, we get ac is equal to 60. So solving these two equations simultaneously, AC is equal to 16 and A plus C is equal to 17, we can think of values of A and C as 1 and 16 or 16 and 1. So if we substitute A as 1 and C as 16, the quadratic equation becomes x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now this is nothing but x minus 4 whole bracket square is equal to 0. So therefore, we get x is equal to 4. Now we can see from the options that we have x equal to 4, that is the root. So therefore, we can mark option B as the answer. If 4 hadn't been there in the options, we should have used 16 and 1 as the values of A and C. So it would have become 16x square minus 8x plus 16 plus 1, sorry, is equal to 0. Now if you solve this, this becomes 4x minus 1 whole bracket square. So therefore you get x is equal to 1 upon 4. Now currently we don't have x equal to 1 upon 4 in the options. So the correct and better option is x equal to 4.